what's up? This is Patrick.
Michal.
From Guy in the Cube, and in this video, we're going to talk about the new mobile layout improvements that Michal and her team has made in Power BI. Stay tuned. If you find us for the very first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date from all the videos from both Adam and this guy. Well, guys, today I have a very special guest with me. Everybody that's using Power BI, you guys have been asking us about updates and improvements to the mobile layout. Well, I found the lady that owns it, who can actually make all of our wishes come true. Michal, thank you so much. And I always mess up her name. I'm so sorry. Why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? This is your first time on Guy in the Cube.
Yeah, thank you for having me, Patrick.
Yeah.
I'm Michal. I'm a program manager in Power BI mobile and devices team. The team is in charge on the Power BI mobiles for iOS, Android, Windows app, and also HoloLens. And we also responsible for the Power BI mobile layout, where you create mobile optimized reports. And today I'm going to show you the new enhancement that we just added. It was like the #1 ask from our customers.
This is
the
awesome.
new mobile, yeah, it is the new mobile formatting options.
All right. It's already afternoon for Michal, because Michal, where are you located?
In Israel.
In Israel, right? So thank you so much. All right. So you guys know how we like to do. Instead of all this talking, I've already talked too much. Let's do what? Let's head over to Michal's laptop.
What you can see here is a report page that I created, and now I will go to the mobile layout. What you can see here is a mobile optimized layout that I've already created without the new capability. This report, it's nice, but it's not optimal. Like the text size is too large and there is too much wasted real estate, and the page navigator that was worked really nice for the desktop, not working here. So let's see what we changed. So first, you will be able to see that there is a new visualization pane here in the mobile layout. And once I'm standing on a visual, you can see that all the values from the desktop with the current desktop values are available here. Now, all I need to do is change the values here, and voila, it's being changed here in the mobile layout, something that we didn't have before. It's important to understand that those changes are not affecting the desktop layout. You will see here that there is an indicator that says that those settings are only mobile changes and are not affect the desktop, and also not inherit any future changes. Like, for example, this card, if I will go to the desktop layout, I will stand on this card, you will be able to see that nothing has been changed here. And more than that, if I will change the setting here for, 30, it will not affect the setting in the mobile layout because it's not connected anymore. Other settings like the color will continue to inherit changes from the web, and I will change them, and then they will not inherit anymore. You can always clear the mobile changes. Once you're clearing the mobile changes, you will get back the desktop setting with the current setting that you have in the desktop. You can do it here, or in the new pane, you can do it for the old visual. Now that we are familiar with the new functionality that is really simple, let's see what I can do with this report and how I can create like an awesome report and not like a nice.
Let's see it.
I will multi-select the visuals first, and this is like the basic change that I guess most of the customer would like to do, so I can change the display unit. And let's remove those, and I will add them back later. You can see that I don't have to use all the visuals from the web, just the one that I want in the mobile, that are fit for the mobile. And now let's see what I can do with this page navigator. So this page navigator is stacked vertically, and it's not working here well. So I will change them to horizontally, and I will change also few styling settings, and I'm again changing like a text size, few styles that I want to change that will help page navigator to look really nice here.
So what you're telling me is, if I'm working in the desktop, the traditional just report view, most or maybe all of the formatting functionality is available when I go into the mobile view. So I can change font size, I can change colors, I can even change the navigators just to optimize them for my mobile report. Is That true?
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah, most of the settings will be available there to all native visuals, but also for custom visuals.
Wow. So
Yeah.
we're gonna have parity between what we can do, mobile design and traditional report design.
Yeah, most of the capability will be there, and like yeah, you can
Yeah,
do
my mind
whatever.
is
Like you
blown.
have maximum flexibility from with this feature.
Nice. All right, back to your laptop.
Now I'm going to show you something that is really, really, really cool. This is a shape, and it's a rectangular shape. And I don't know, it's not working for me here, but I do need a shape. And I want to do something like underline for my page navigator, so I just change it to line. I will change few properties so it will be able to look like a line. And I can see that I have a necessary background, so I will remove the background. And now I have here a line.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. That is nice. That is nice. Because it creates like a separation between the navigator and then everything else that's on the page. All right. I'm excited.
Exactly.
I'm excited. Yeah.
But the line is not layered in the right place, so I will change the layer and move it here.
Oh, wait a minute. So I have to tell a little story. The very first time we spoke, Michal and I, and there was some other people from the mobile editing team, we spoke. I was like, wait, can you really do overlaying of visuals? Is this new? And everybody laughed. Everybody on the call laughed. They were like, Patrick, that has been in the product forever. You need to spend more time in this mobile design. It's a true story, right, Michal? It's a true story.
Yeah,
I had no idea.
Sorry, like we did it like ages, like I don't know, more than 1 year ago.
I had no idea.
It was the first thing that we did to improve the mobile layout.
All right, that's a true story. All right, back to your laptop. I got to see more.
So now that it looks nice, I will add back the logo. I will add the card that I missed before. And now, because we added the visualization pane, I also have the properties available for me here. So I can pixel perfect my report size. That's something that I didn't have before. So I can change all the cards to have the same size, and I can also stack them in the same vertical place, like that. Also, I have the red lines that will help me that. Also, something that we had like ages ago. Yeah, and now I just place again all the visuals that I have here. This bar chart also taking me too much real estate, and if I try to minimize it, I have a scroll, I don't like it. In this case, in mobile, I will remove the legend. I can also remove the x-axis, but now I don't have the value, so I will enable the data labels. And now I can minimize it to this size, and I actually can have one more visual here. I know that I have scroll, but in one look, it's really important to have like as much visual as you can. I think that this is something I did in just a few minutes, and it was not possible before we added those new capabilities. Let's remove the grid lines. Oh, now it's look much better.
Wow, Michal, that blew my mind. So now, right, I don't have to worry about font sizes, and I can actually optimize other visuals so I can get more real estate on the mobile view, so I can just have a full comprehensive view of the dashboard that I'm trying to create. This is amazing. I really like it, and I think everyone else is out there is gonna like it. Do you have anything else you want to say before we wrap up?
No, we're just really exciting with this feature. We work really hard on that with the desktop team, and we're really happy that it's out there and we can tell about it to the world.
All right. What do you guys think? You got any questions? You got any comments for myself or Michal? We love to know. You guys know what we like to do. Let's continue the conversation where? In the comments below.
If this is your first time visiting the Guy in the Cube channel,
please be sure to hit the subscribe button
to stay up to date
from all the videos
from Adam, Patrick, and myself.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.